Hi, my name's Doug Hugervorst, and welcome to Tradeparency. Over the next couple minutes, we'll take a quick run through the only full-cycle price and promotion software that gives you transparency to all of your trade spending. So what does full cycle mean? Some of our competitors only talk about pricing, and pricing certainly is a part of trade promotion management, because without the price, you're not going to be able to see how much you spend. But we began with the end in mind. How much are we spending by the glass? Are we getting lift? Are we being effective? In order to do that, you start with pricing. You got to process the claims, the invoices. We focus on integration with your accounting system so we can get a full analysis. Did we get lift? So you can go into the planning process. Let's go take a look at the software. When you first land in Tradeparency, you're greeted with a home page that gives you some really important details up front. At a high level, what am I spending? I can see a breakdown by product. We can also see spending by state and a breakdown of by month and in different kinds of discount brackets. The other thing that you're getting greeted to here are the workflow elements. Now there's two workflows in Tradeparency. First, should the deal even be approved? Anyone could put it into a spreadsheet, but was it approved? How does finance know? Did sales sign off on this? So that's what this top bar is showing. The second bar is showing where my invoices are. This is actually helping companies save time and energy in QBRs. Let's go look at some pricing. For a long time, spreadsheets like this have been the standard, and in fact, still the case for a lot of folks. You end up with one sheet per state per product. Trying to sort through what can be dozens and hundreds of worksheets can be a real pain. Within Tradeparency, we just go to Deals. And inside of Deals, we have all the deals across the entire country, whether it's by state or product or whatever. If I want to look at a particular product, I can go to Denali, Chardonnay, and see all the Denali Chardonnay deals across the country. There, I might go and open one up. And within the deal, I have all the same information that I did on the spreadsheet, but now it's systematized. Now the same version is in sales as in finance. I can see I have a $27 DA, I have an FOB, and I have a laid-in cost that might include freight and taxes that might be local. Can also see my calculated margins. The deals in the system serve as a basis to process invoice claims from the distributor. Here I'm going to pick against activity period of May. Data can come in from files, from electronic feed from the distributor, or can be manually entered. Here I'm going to upload a file, and the process collects all my header information and attaches the file. Here's a deal that's for the same DA, but just off a few pennies on the PTR. And here's a deal that we don't have in our system at all. They're charging us $190 a case, when our closest deal is $172. I'd probably call them on this. The data from the invoice flows through against your deal grids and shows you what cases went out at what deal level. Then it can go to the accounting system to be paid and can go to analytics to be analyzed. Using the BI tool of your choice, now you can combine data from Tradeparency with your depletions. In this example, we're showing DAs and other discounts, which might include samples or printing menus, something that no other pricing tool does. Plus, I'm looking at actual depletions. I can calculate out a spend per case rather than looking at my price points in the market and figure out where am I spending my most money, where am I down. I can also use this data to calculate out accruals. What have I been spending? How many cases went out last month? What else is in the field so I can make sure that I've got the right amount of liability on my books? Again, the purpose wasn't to collect pricing, but to see if I was effective and ensure that my processes are efficient. Thanks for making a few minutes for us. We're looking forward to talking to you.